20 important daily actions you need to know. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I water the plants. I water the plants. I have lunch. I have lunch. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I exercise. I exercise. I do my homework. I do my homework. I hang out the clothes. I hang out the clothes. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I do yoga. I do yoga. I make the bed. I make the bed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I feed the pet. I feed the pet. I listen to music. I listen to music. I play video games. I play video games. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I go to bed.